Good morning, all students of Standard 5. Please open your English grammar book and see chapter 1. In chapter 1, you have to learn sentence. You have already learned it in previous classes. You have to learn sentence. You have learned already it in previous classes. I am telling you about it in brief. A sentence is a group of words which makes complete sense. A sentence is a group of words which makes complete sense. You know it better. A sentence always starts with a capital letter and ends with a full stop, question mark, or an exclamation mark. A sentence has clause and phrase also. Now I will tell you about phrase and clause. Phrase does not make complete sense. It has no verb. It is only a part of sentence. Clause. Clause also does not make complete sense, but it has verb. It is also only a part of sentence. If you understand sentence, phrase and clause, you can do page number 6 very easily. See, page number 6, you have to write the given word is sentence or phrase or clause. As for example, I am fine, thank you. What you will write here? You will write here, it is sentence, because this sentence starts with capital letter and end with full stop. So it is a complete sentence. Next, under the tree, what you will write here? It is not sentence, it is phrase. Why? Why it is phrase? Because it has no verb. Thus, you can solve it very easily. So, do in your book, page number 6. Next, I will tell you about subject and predicate. A sentence is divided into two parts, subject and predicate. The person or thing we speak about is the subject. The person or thing we speak about is the subject. But what is said about the subject is called predicate. You understand? What is said about the subject is called predicate. As for example, if we write here, we are happy. We are happy. Then, if you have to divide this sentence into two parts, you will write by giving underline. Underline, be is subject and are happy predicate. You can also write it in other way. You will write one side subject and in other side predicate. You can write we in your subject column and are happy in predicates column. It's okay. After reading this chapter, you can solve all questions very easily. You must try to do it. Do page number 7 and page number 8 in your copy. Next, I will teach you chapter 2. In this chapter, you have to learn kinds of sentence. There are 4 kinds of sentence. Assertive sentence, interrogative sentence, imperative sentence and exclamatory sentence. Assertive sentence. Assertive sentence simply state something. We play, you go to school daily, birds are flying, etc. Interrogative sentence. When we ask question, this type of sentence is called interrogative sentence. When we ask question anyone about any matter, that is interrogative sentence. As for example, how are you? Where are you going? What is your name? When do you get up? Such types of example are interrogative sentence. Next, imperative sentence. Imperative sentence, when we give an order, suggestion, or make a request. This type of sentence is called imperative sentence. Example, don't go there, don't make a noise, don't play with matchstick, or please give me your pencil, please give me your book. Such type of examples, such type of sentence are example of imperative sentence. Next, exclamatory sentence. Exclamatory sentence, you have to learn exclamatory sentence. A sentence that expresses a strong feeling is an exclamatory sentence. Sentence that expresses a strong feeling, that is exclamatory sentence. As for example, hooray, we have won the match. So a feeling comes in my heart that hooray, we have won the match. Oh, she is dead. Wow, what a lovely flower. What a beautiful dress. Such type of examples are called exclamatory sentence. I think you all understand sentence, phrase, clause, and types of sentence very easily. So you must try to do all chapter, complete all chapter in your book or copy. Thank you very much. Stay safe, stay home.